1. Iranian missile strikes on Israel. In the early hours of Thursday morning, Israeli air defense systems were activated as Iran launched another wave of missiles. Sirens blared across central Israel, with at least 4 missiles reported to have struck targets in Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. The Soroka Medical Center in Be'er-Sheva suffered partial structural damage, prompting evacuations. Local media broadcast footage of patients and medical staff scrambling for safety inside damaged facilities. 2. Israeli retaliation. Arak nuclear site targeted. In response, the Israeli military, IDF, confirmed precision airstrikes on Iran's Arak heavy water nuclear complex. Israeli officials claimed the site had been evacuated beforehand, minimizing the risk of radioactive contamination. However, no immediate confirmation or assessment has been issued by Iranian authorities regarding the extent of the damage. Expert analyses. A. Iranian asymmetry and proxy tactics. Barak Siner of the Henry Jackson Society suggests that as Iran's conventional capabilities weaken, Tehran may increasingly rely on asymmetric strategies, including the activation of sleeper cells abroad to destabilize Israeli and Western interests. B. Israeli air superiority and strategic advantage. According to Time and the Wall Street Journal, Israel has achieved near-complete air superiority over Iranian territory, reportedly neutralizing key launch platforms and radar systems. This dominance has significantly reduced the frequency and accuracy of Iran's retaliatory strikes. Nuclear targets and the risk of escalation. Several analysts, including Dennis Ross, Washington Institute, and Ian Bremmer, Eurasia Group, warn that targeting deeply buried nuclear facilities like Fordow may trigger uncontrollable escalation. While Arak is a symbolic strike, Fordow, being active and fortified, would signal an existential threat to Iran's nuclear infrastructure and could provoke a direct confrontation in the Gulf region. The U.S. position, strategic ambiguity. According to the Wall Street Journal, U.S. naval forces remain on high alert in the Persian Gulf, but Washington has stopped short of direct involvement. A Politico briefing quoted 7 former diplomats and military officials cautioning against U.S. escalation, suggesting it may either diffuse tensions or ignite a broader regional war. Global impact, oil and markets. Brent crude rose slightly to 77 barrel, plus 0.5%. Amid investor concerns over regional instability and potential threats to the Strait of Hormuz. Diplomacy. EU diplomatic channels remain active. France is reportedly planning a meeting in Geneva with Iran's foreign minister to explore de-escalation options. Summary table. Key developments. Description: Iran. Continued missile launches. Potential shift to global asymmetric attacks. Israel. Retaliated by striking Arak. Maintains full aerial control. U.S. strategic naval posture without direct engagement. Expert consensus. High risk of escalation if nuclear sites like Fordow are hit. Gulf region could be next for